15 foods that prevent dementia. Have you ever wondered which foods can literally boost your brain? What simple choices on your plate could help prevent diseases like dementia? And after all, how can a healthy diet be the key to keeping your mind sharp at any age? Science leaves no doubt. Small adjustments to your diet have the power to transform brain health. Imagine discovering how fruits like blueberries and avocado, or common ingredients like olive oil and cocoa, can protect your brain cells and even improve your memory. But are you taking advantage of the full potential of these foods on a daily basis? If the idea of taking care of your brain while enjoying delicious meals interests you, you're in the right place. Get ready to dive into practical tips and surprising revelations. Let's get started. 1. Blueberry. Blueberries are known as brain superfoods due to their high concentration of antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. These compounds help protect the brain against oxidative stress and cell-damaging free radicals. Research indicates that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and communication between neurons, as well as slowing the cognitive decline associated with aging. They are an excellent option for those looking to keep their mind sharp. These fruits are incredibly versatile and easy to include in your diet. You can add them to smoothies, yogurts, cereals, or even eat them as a snack. Its sweet and slightly acidic flavor is a bonus for those who seek health with pleasure. Incorporating blueberries into your routine is a small adjustment that can have big benefits for your brain health over time. 2. Salmon. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3, a fatty acid essential for brain health. DHA, a specific type of omega-3 present in salmon, is crucial for the function and structure of brain cells. Studies show that omega-3 deficiency may be linked to cognitive problems and a higher risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. On the other hand, including foods rich in this nutrient can improve memory and ability to concentrate. One of the great advantages of salmon is its versatility. It can be grilled, roasted, or incorporated into salads and pasta. Furthermore, it is a tasty food that pleases different palates. Consuming salmon 2 to 3 times a week is an excellent way to protect the brain and ensure a diet rich in essential nutrients for the body and mind. 3. Nuts. Walnuts are powerful allies for brain health thanks to their high content of antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E. These nutrients play a crucial role in protecting against cellular damage and promoting brain health. Research shows that regular consumption of nuts can improve cognitive function and even prevent mental decline in the elderly. They also help reduce inflammation, a factor associated with neurodegenerative diseases. Because they are practical and easy to transport, nuts are great snack options. A small portion daily is enough to obtain its benefits. Additionally, they can be used in recipes such as salads, breads, and desserts. Including them in your diet is a practical and delicious way to take care of your brain while enjoying rich and nutritious food. 4. Avocado. Avocado is a rich source of monounsaturated fats, known to promote cardiovascular and brain health. These fats help improve blood flow to the brain, providing essential nutrients for its function. Additionally, avocado contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress, reducing damage to brain cells. It is also rich in potassium, which contributes to neurological health. Because it is creamy and versatile, avocado can be used on toast, salads, smoothies, or even as a base for sauces and desserts. Its unique texture and neutral flavor combine with a wide variety of dishes. Eating avocado regularly is a tasty way to protect your brain and ensure you intake nutrients that promote mental longevity. 5. Saffron, turmeric. Turmeric is one of the most beneficial spices for the brain, thanks to its active compound called curcumin. This compound has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect the brain from damage and inflammation. Curcumin has been widely studied for its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and improve memory, as well as stimulating the production of neurotrophic factors that promote the growth of new brain cells. Adding turmeric to your diet is simple and effective. It can be used in soups, sauces, rice, meats, and even in drinks such as golden milk, a mixture of milk and spices. By incorporating saffron regularly, you help prevent cognitive decline and keep your brain protected against neurodegenerative diseases. 6. Spinach. Spinach is a vegetable packed with essential brain nutrients such as folate, vitamin K, lutein, and beta-carotene. These components help fight oxidative stress and reduce brain inflammation. Studies suggest that frequent consumption of spinach is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline and better memory function. It is especially beneficial for people looking to protect their brain against premature aging. Because it is so versatile, spinach can be eaten raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or added to juices and smoothies. It is an easy food to adapt to any meal. With its high nutritional value, including spinach in your diet is a powerful choice for keeping your brain healthy and active. 7. Broccoli. Broccoli is rich in antioxidant compounds and vitamin K, known for its essential role in brain function. It also contains glucosinolates, which help reduce the breakdown of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine, vital for memory and learning. This cruciferous vegetable is also a good source of fiber and nutrients that improve overall health, as well as protecting the brain against damage related to oxidative stress. With its light flavor, broccoli can be consumed cooked, steamed, or in more elaborate dishes, such as soups and pies. It pairs well with simple seasonings and is easy to prepare. Adopting broccoli into your eating routine is an effective way to protect the brain and ensure a diet rich in neuroprotective benefits. 8. Egg. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, an essential nutrient for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in memory and cognitive function. Choline deficiency can lead to mental decline. Additionally, eggs contain B vitamins, especially B12, which help reduce levels of homocysteine, a compound associated with the risk of dementia. These nutrients are vital for overall brain health. Eggs are incredibly versatile. They can be eaten boiled, scrambled, in omelets, or in more elaborate recipes. It is an affordable and practical food to include in your daily life. Incorporating eggs into your diet is an efficient and nutritious way to strengthen your brain and prevent cognitive decline. 9. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidant compounds such as polyphenols, which help protect the brain against free radical damage. It also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and improves concentration. Studies show that regular consumption of green tea is associated with a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It can also improve memory and cognitive performance in the short term. As it is a light and refreshing drink, green tea can be consumed hot, iced, or combined with fruits and herbs to enhance its flavor. Its stimulating properties, thanks to moderate caffeine, make it ideal for moments of focus. Adding green tea to your routine is a simple, healthy way to promote brain health and mental well-being. 10. Linseed. Flaxseed is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, especially ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective properties. These fatty acids help maintain the integrity of brain cells. It is also rich in fiber and lignans, compounds that promote cardiovascular health, essential for good cerebral blood flow. Healthy circulation is essential to keep the brain well nourished. Flaxseed can easily be added to smoothies, yogurts, salads, or used in bread and cake recipes. It is a versatile and accessible ingredient that goes well with different preparations. Consuming flaxseed regularly is an efficient way to protect the brain and prevent cognitive decline while promoting the body's overall health. 11. Tomato. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the brain against damage caused by free radicals. This compound is also effective in reducing inflammation, one of the factors that contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Studies show that regular tomato consumption is associated with a lower risk of cognitive decline. It is also an excellent source of vitamin C, which strengthens the brain's natural defenses. Tomatoes are versatile and can be used in salads, sauces, soups, or consumed raw. Its flavor and ease of preparation Make it an essential food in your eating routine. Adding tomatoes to your diet is a practical and delicious way to take care of your brain health and strengthen your memory. 12. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, a mineral essential for cognitive function and brain health. Zinc contributes to effective communication between neurons and plays an important role in memory and learning. Additionally, they contain magnesium, iron, and copper, which help regulate brain functions and improve blood flow to the brain. The presence of antioxidants also protects against damage caused by free radicals. These seeds are extremely practical and can be consumed as a snack, added to salads, granola, or even used in bread and cake recipes. Including them regularly in your diet is a simple and tasty way to ensure good brain health and prevent cognitive decline. 13. Orange. Orange is a fruit rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights free radicals and protects brain cells against damage. Consuming just one orange a day already provides the recommended daily amount of vitamin C. Studies show that vitamin C can prevent cognitive decline, improve memory, and help maintain mental health as we age. It also strengthens the immune system, which indirectly benefits the brain. Easy to include in the diet, oranges can be consumed as juice, in fruit salads, or on their own as a healthy and refreshing snack. Eating oranges regularly is a delicious and practical way to strengthen memory and protect the brain against neurodegenerative diseases. 14. Cacao. Cocoa, especially in its purest form like dark chocolate, is an excellent source of flavonoids, compounds that improve blood flow to the brain and promote cognitive health. In addition to being rich in antioxidants, cocoa stimulates the production of endorphins and improves mood, which can have positive impacts on focus and memory. It also contains small amounts of caffeine, which helps with concentration. To get the benefits, choose chocolates with at least 70% cocoa or use pure cocoa powder in recipes like smoothies, cakes, and healthy desserts. Consuming cocoa in moderation is a delicious way to nourish your brain and promote long-term mental health. 15. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the main stars of the Mediterranean diet, known for its benefits for the brain. It is rich in antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, which protect the brain against inflammation and cellular damage. Research shows that regular consumption of olive oil is associated with a lower risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. It also helps improve memory and overall cognitive function. Because it is versatile, olive oil can be used in salads, stir-fries, or simply as a final seasoning in ready-made dishes. Its unique flavor and health benefits make it an indispensable item in the kitchen. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet is an easy and effective way to protect your brain and promote lasting mental health. Taking care of your brain health starts with making simple choices on your plate. Every food you include in your diet is an investment in your future, a way to preserve your memories, keep your creativity alive, and ensure you can enjoy life with full cognitive capacity. By choosing ingredients that nourish the brain and prevent disease, you are taking control of your well-being. Remember, it's never too late to start. Small changes made today can bring big results tomorrow. Prioritize your mental and physical health because every attitude, every meal, every care for yourself matters. Your brain is your greatest asset. Nourish it, protect it, and it will repay you with years of vitality and clarity.